Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at your place. My name is Miss Bharti Madan and today I am going to teach you English. As you know that in our previous class I had summarized chapter number 1 and I had also put up some questions from within the chapter to know your understanding of the chapter. And today we are going to further proceed the revision of chapter number 1. And today what we are going to do is, today we are going to revise the word meanings of chapter number 1, the tree huggers. So what is written here? First word is motivate, and here I am going to explain you the meanings of these words with an example. Now let us take an example here. The story motivates us. It means the story encourages us to stop cutting down trees. Now let us come to the next word. It's sacrifice. Sacrifice means to give up something of value. Something of value means, let us take an example here. As we know that it's corona time and of us has realized that nothing is precious than our life. So if I tell you what is the thing which is of value for us nowadays, you would definitely say our life. So here, to give up something of value, here to give up life. So here I am going to take an example. Amrita Bishnoi sacrificed her life to protect the trees. It means Amrita Bishnoi gave up her life to protect the trees. It means something that was very precious for her, that is her life. She gave up her life in order to protect the trees. The third word is prompt. Prompt means instant, or we can also say to act quickly. So example is, she gave a prompt reply to the soldiers. It means she gave an instant reply to the soldiers. Means she did not take much time to reply to the soldiers. She instantly replied the soldiers. So the next word is furious, means very angry. So let us take an example here. The soldiers became furious and cut the tree. When Amrita Bishnoi stopped the soldiers from cutting down of trees, then the soldiers got furious. Then the soldiers got very angry. Apologize. Apologize means to regret, to say sorry. When Maharaja of the, here what is the sentence here? The Maharaja apologized to the people. It means when Maharaja got to know that people of Khejarli village got killed by his soldiers, then he came into the village and apologized to the people, and he apologized to the people. He said sorry to the people for what his soldiers did. Our next word is ban. Ban means to decide officially that something is not allowed. It means if something is disallowed by the government, then the thing will be called banned. Or in other words, we can also say that if government disallows certain things, it means government has banned those things. So let us take an example to clear the meaning of this word more to you. The people requested the Maharaja to ban cutting down of trees and hunting of animals. It means the people of Khejarli village requested their Maharaja to pass an order to disallow cutting down of trees and hunting of animals. So our last word is purpose. Purpose means aim. If I say, what is the purpose of your life? What is the aim of your life? What do you want to achieve in your life? So here is the example. The purpose of Chipko movement was to protect the trees from being cut. Here, what does this sentence mean? It means the Chipko movement's purpose. It means the reason for which Chipko movement was started was to protect the trees from being cut. Here we have finished the revision of the word meanings of chapter number 1, the tree huggers, and now we are going to start revising the question answers of this lesson. Let us start revising the question answers of this lesson. Our first question is, how did the people of Khejeli take care of their environment? The answer to this question is, the people of Khejeli did not hunt. The people of Khejeli did not hunt and cut the trees. Each person planted a tree and took good care of it. In this way, the people of Khejeli took care of their environment. Now, the next question is, what was the purpose of the Chipko movement? It means what was the aim of this movement? Why was this movement started? This is the meaning of this part of the question, and the answer to this part of the question is, the purpose of the movement was to protect the trees from being cut. This movement was started to protect the trees from being cut. This was the purpose of that movement. So we will write the purpose of the movement was to protect the trees from being cut. Now, the second part of this question is, who were the people involved in it? So the answer to this part of the question will be, Sundarlal Bahuguna and the women of Uttarakhand were involved in it. This is the answer to this part of the question. Our third question is, how did the people of Khejeli succeed in their struggle? The answer is the brave men and women of Khejeli sacrificed their life for this struggle, and in this way the people of Khejeli succeeded in their struggle. It means the people of Khejeli had to sacrifice their life to succeed in this struggle. Now the last question is, why do you think the people in the two stories cared for trees and even sacrificed their lives for them? Which two stories? First story was of Amrita Bishnoi and the second story was of Sundarlal Bahuguna. So here the question is, why do you think the people in the two stories cared for trees and even sacrificed their lives for them? So the answer to this question is, the people in the two stories cared for trees and even sacrificed their lives for them because, from here the answer to this question starts. The answer is, they did not like hunting of animals and cutting down of trees. They loved the trees as they loved their family. So this is the reason why we think that the people in both the stories cared for trees and even sacrificed their lives for them. So here we have children, today we have completed the revision of word meaning and question answers of chapter 1, the tree huggers. I hope you all have understood whatever we did in our today's class, and you have to revise and learn these word meanings and question answers by yourself. If you would not study and if you would not learn by yourself, then my efforts would go in vain. So your exams are going to start and you all need to focus on your studies. Please concentrate on your studies, be regular to your online classes, and stay focused while studying and taking online classes. I will meet. I hope you all are getting my point, and I hope you all are getting my point, and would I hope you all are getting my point and would definitely do and would definitely good do in your PT1 exams. So and would definitely do good in your PT1 exams. So I will meet you in our next video. Till then, stay safe and stay home.